Saruk Khumukcham, Education Esta National Director in the Lazabani. See a quick program, say, when a sanction is a therapa. Donor Ministry of the Government of Manipur, and in a collaborate over Angang Sing say, Space Science Kimaram the Hena Kanganaba. Space Science introduced over the curiosity sparked over and interest labor curiosity do when a Kento Novi program give a Kada Satarpa, any sparks have a wiggy. Notice students. Notice students program for awareness, reach and knowledge on space and any sparks and any notice keys hat singi damokta tawba. Koi state amadagi 100 students khallaga thabani kuna batch nipan thona thagadabani nasi khona thajari bise batch taret sugani Imphal Manipur gi district different district me amge ngang sing khallaga thajabani nasi taret subda chatta dori bise Sanapati district amadi Kangpopi district ngang singni Kangpopi ngang taruk Sanapati dagi taruk punna trani thoi coordinator amana purga moi tram do chat kadobani moi se Bangalore 2 days ki ISRO gi allied oiba institute me amna chatlaga moi rocketry science ki matangda then mayam ama tambiraga moi yenghallaga hands on knowledge then space scientist me amga interact tawraga moi se knowledge me amga gain tawno program ni
asuma program am paikhala kojana mairo jing da
si mayam su khangwirangani koina Satra work pada kasum phang panate government tam chakholak bi matung ina sum lak pot ni India ge on space science yam kana chakhole ISRO se tin yam low cost oina yam effective oiba mission me am pangthok ngam ba ming chatpa space ki agency ma oirabani na khoi angang sing sisu exposure se am thina darkar oi hadi sigi oiba lambi se sisu lai habse khangan ba darkar tai na khoi na chinna hairaga class ta tak pu dutagi di haktheng na chatlaga angang sing yengaga uraga moi interest to aduna henam ka ai sta pami habida lakpa ki chances am ka high oiba anu uraga tambi da mangonda manung se kaingoma thokhe targa da du potune am effective oiba ponam tholok to niba aduna koina tawjare program se effective oiba mo oigani habai thaja jai angang singna opportunity koina piraga hangbuya ba mo khai lem piraga moi gi tungi future se guide tawda sina achau program am logani haba ai thanjani
mamang do koi mamang sakhiba
training program makti nate am dugi encourage tawna bagi dong tawjabani aduna masigi effect se hujing ma khudak tadi ubudi phangoi kitang lisang sina lak ma tamda kitang tung na tungoi tung koina sathar ma tungda khar urak padi dum yayan thajab tham.
My name is Rinji Pishirak Pere from St. Anthony's School, Sanapati. And first of all, I would like to thank our additional director, sir, for this amazing opportunity that we can get only once in a lifetime. I'm also very thankful to our science director and Sanapati ZEO for providing us with this opportunity. I am thankful to our school headmistress and all these organizers as well. This is a great opportunity of learning for us, and I hope that we're going to learn a lot from this. And I hope that this can really inspire us and we can learn more about science and technology from this. Thank you.